What's up, online shoppers? I want to do an update on this absolutely awesome Keter Marvel 71 gallon deck box. Now, I have had this one for, I kid you not, 15 years. This deck box has been through weather, moves, heat. It's been sat in the sun where the sun beats down on it for summer after summer, and all the time it continues to keep my patio mess organized. It went together really easy. It's under 10 minutes assembly. All of the pieces here just snap together like a Lego. Little pound from your hand and they connect, and you never have to worry about reconnecting them. This was assembled 15 years ago and it still holds its shape, and there has been virtually no problems with this. This one here contains the chaos of my deck, and I use it to keep all of my cushions. I love it because it keeps the cushions free from pollen, out of the spiders, out of the mice, out of the wet, and even if it's pouring, hammering rain and I have this not on the deck protected by a roof, everything inside here stays nice and dry. I love the wood grain finish on this. I think it takes it up to an elevated level. You can see all of the grain in here. It also is lockable. You can put a little padlock in here, so if you wanted to keep something locked up, like say out of little hands or free from snooping eyes, you definitely could lock this as well. There are handles on the side here for picking it up, which makes it convenient for moving. Controls the chaos on my patio. Keeps all of my patio cushions in here. I have a second one that I use for all of my pool accessories. I keep it right out on the other side of my pool because it's weather resistant, fade resistant, lockable, and it's a great place to keep everything centrally stored right by the pool, so I don't have to go looking for it or digging for it in the garage. The fact that it's made of UV resistant resin means it's not going to rust, peel, dent, or chip. And after 15 years of being outside, it pretty much looks like the day I put it together. I use this as extra seating on my deck also. It's rated for up to 485 pounds, which means you can pretty much have two adults sit on it quite comfortably and not have to worry that it's going to collapse. Now at the bottom here, it is air vented, which is something I haven't ever seen in deck boxes like this. Small enough to keep the critters out, but it does keep airflow going, which means you're not going to get a musty smell inside here because everything is so locked up that it gets all moldy. Whether you're using this for patio cushions, kids' toys, pool supplies, gardening accessories and equipment, or just as a place to sit on your deck, throw your barbecue cover, all that sort of stuff, this is absolutely an awesome deck box. It has stood the test of time. If you're looking to invest in a deck box, these Keter ones, you just can't kill them. They just keep going and going, and definitely it is a family favorite at my house.